Family, it's your boy Black Phoenix. I was asked the question, how do I keep my RV cool in Phoenix since it is real hot up here, and I'm sitting on the side where the sun set, so it's hotter on this side. Last year it got warm on me. I had to get another air conditioner. I had to do a couple of upgrades, and it was bearable. But this year I went and invested. I went to Lowe's and bought some of this tarp for making shade, and I got some double-sided reflect bubble insulation. So I probably spent, I would say, I got probably like altogether probably like $150, $200 invested in material. And like I say, I just cut it out myself. And if you own your RV, you can do this. It's different ways you can do it to make it look better. But honestly, what I got done, what I did, I think it turned out good. And you won't believe how cool the inside of my RV is. And I got some tapping screws and some scissors, and I just cut it up, man, and made it look real, decent. But when I tell you it cuts down the heat, you won't even believe it. So this is the side where I get my most heat at, and it is really shutting it down. So small investment, went to Lowe's, invested in the tarp, and it comes in different sizes, plus they can pre-cut it for you. So there's a lot you can do, man, to keep your RV cool in Phoenix. Hold on.